You wake up from the most incredible dream. You were flying through space, talking to dinosaurs, whatever your brain cooked up that night. And within a second, poof, gone, like smoke through your fingers. You try to grab it, nothing, just a fading feeling. And maybe the vague sense that it was amazing. Everyone's been there. It's one of the most frustrating universal experiences. Here's the wild part. Every night during REM sleep, your brain is on fire, like more active than when you are awake. Your visual cortex is lit up. Your emotions are firing. Your brain is doing something intense. So, if your brain is working overtime, creating these vivid, complex experiences, why can't you remember any of it? Turns out your brain has a chemical called norepinephrine. It's like the save button for memories. Normally, it helps encode experiences into long term memory. But during REM sleep, norepinephrine drops to essentially zero. Zero, your brain is actively blocking memory formation while you dream. The hippocampus, your memory center, literally shuts off communication with the rest of your brain. You are not accidentally forgetting your dreams, you are designed to forget them. So, the only reason you ever remember a dream, you wake up in the middle of it, not after, during. That brief window between dreaming and waking gives your brain just enough time to save one last snapshot before the system shuts down. Some people, lucid dreamers, have actually learned to hack this. They train themselves to recognize when they are dreaming and wake themselves up on purpose just to grab the memory. So, why would evolution make us forget? Best theory, dreams might be your brain's way to process noise, filtering out the irrelevant connection to keep your real memories clean. If you remembered every dream, your brain would be cluttered with nonsense. You would confuse that actually happened with what your brain made up at 3 a.m. Your brain isn't hiding your dreams from you, it's protecting your sanity. I win, and that's how you forget your dreams so fast.